I'm Duran and you are watching King Cobra TV. Today we will be showing you an educational video about the king cobra. But before we do, I would like to tell you some facts about this reptile. Did you know that they eat other snakes? They can grow to be as long as 20 feet. Their bite can kill an elephant. And now, our video.
Predators that use venom, the most notorious may be this one. The king cobra thrives in the forests and plains of southern Asia.